Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you the fix of this error. Your PC can't project to another screen. Try reinstalling the driver or using a different video card. So, how to fix this? Let's get started. In order to do this, what you have to do is press Windows plus R and then type devmgmt.msc. Once you do this, this will open Device Manager and just double click on display adapters and it will show your display graphic card or any other display source you have. Just right click on this and then make sure it is enabled. If this is disabled, your device won't work properly and this will again give you error. Make sure it is enabled, and when you enable this, click on update driver and click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure it says the best drivers for your devices are already installed. If this says something else instead of this, just click on search for updated drivers on Windows Update and it will install the latest update required for your drivers. So yes, this would definitely fix your problem, and if your problem still occurs, make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. That's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.